I'm 55. I don't feel 55. I think that with the optimal health that I'm doing inside out and outside in concept, I feel like I don't look 55. I don't feel 55. A lot of the protocols that I have, there is definitely a connection with the psychology of aging and longevity and increasing that health span, because as you know, like, our skin is our largest organ, so what we put in our body shines outwardly.
Yeah.
Are you exercising? Are you getting optimal sleep? Are you meditating? Are you grounding to the earth? How is your stress relief? Are you exercising in a way that promotes longevity? And all of this goes through your skin, right? Superfoods, all of that goes through your skin, supplements. So you can really see your skin being reflective of your inner health.
Yeah,
Well,
it's like, first of all, it's very, 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 very interesting as far as you having a psychology background and hearing you talk about the importance of our self-image and literally the image that looks at us from the mirror and how it motivates us. And I think it's a good lesson. Of course, there is this famous book, Atomic Habits, and how inertia basically is our best tool for any type of positive habit we have in our life. And the skin is definitely, or the fear of loss, right? Like if we have, if we're on a roll, if our skin looks great, whatever that is, the fear of not having that anymore is an amazing motivator.
yeah.